How to add affiliate products from Awin to Pinterest. Log in to your Awin account and go to the Advertisers section to choose a product to promote. Join the advertiser program if you have not already, and wait for approval. Use the product list or link builder tool to generate your affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link from your Awin dashboard. Open Pinterest and sign in to your account. Click the plus icon and select to create a new pin. Upload a product image or create one related to the product. Write a short and engaging title and description for your pin. Paste the affiliate link into the destination link field. Choose a relevant board to save the pin. Add keywords and hashtags to help people find your pin. Click Publish to post the affiliate product on Pinterest. Thank you for watching.